Welcome to Integrative Nutrition for Life video presentation.
Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is essential for energy, neurological health, and red blood cell formation. It plays a central role in methylation and supports the production of DNA, neurotransmitters, and the protective myelin sheath that surrounds your nerves. Chemically, vitamin B12 is one of the most complex vitamins, with the formula C62H88Co and 13O14P. At its core is a cobalt atom, which gives B12 its name cobalamin. This intricate structure allows B12 to support DNA synthesis, nerve function, and healthy blood formation. Inside your cells, vitamin B12 activates key enzymes involved in methylation and DNA production. These reactions support healthy cell division, balanced neurotransmitter levels, and long-term metabolic stability. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerves. Adequate B12 supports memory, focus, and overall neurological function. When levels drop, nerve signaling slows, leading to fatigue, tingling, and cognitive changes. Research shows that B12 deficiency can lead to anemia, neurological changes, and impaired cognitive performance. Studies highlight that restoring B12 levels improves nerve function, enhances red blood cell production, and supports healthy methylation. Peer-reviewed studies also link vitamin B12 to improve cardiovascular health through homocysteine regulation, enhanced cognitive function, and better long-term neurological resilience. Scientists continue exploring its role in aging, metabolism, and cellular repair. You can increase your vitamin B12 intake through foods like salmon, eggs, beef, dairy products, and fortified plant-based milks. These nutrient-dense options support energy, nerve health, and red blood cell production. For those who may not get enough B12 from food, especially vegans, vegetarians, and older adult, supplements are widely available. They offer a simple way to support neurological health, energy production, and overall metabolic balance. Your body thrives when it has the nutrients it needs. Vitamin B12 plays a powerful role in energy, nerve function, and long-term cognitive health. Supporting your B12 levels can help you feel more focused, energized, and mentally sharp. Make vitamin B12 a priority today. Your brain, your energy, and your long-term wellness will thank you. Stay committed to your health journey and continue watching the series to build a stronger, more energized you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your health goals in the comments and let us know what topics you want next. Together, we are building unstoppable energy and vitality. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website integrativenutritionforlife.com and reach out via email today. Connect with a very smart, knowledgeable, triple certified health coach ready to help you improve your health and well-being.